If you're a beginner at the piano and you've tried to play your right hand and your left hand at the same time, only to realize that it is really actually very difficult. Today I'm going to show you some short practice exercises to strengthen your hand coordination. They're short, they're easy, and the best part is you don't even have to be at a piano in order to practice this. I'm going to show you how you can strengthen your coordination no matter where you are, so that when you do go to the piano, you'll feel much more comfortable playing both hands together. Exercise number one, I'm going to show you how you can tap it out first, so how you can try doing this at any surface, even if you're not at the piano, and then I'll show you how to do it on the piano. Your right hand's gonna tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's gonna come back down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so tap up, starting with your thumb, and then come back down. Okay, easy enough. And then with your left hand, you're gonna tap 5, your pinky, and then 1, your thumb. So just back and forth, just like this. Okay, and then let's try tapping it together. So we're gonna start thumb over here, pinky over here, and we're gonna go in beat. So we're gonna go tap, 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 tap. You can practice this coordination at any surface, just going up with your right hand and back and forth with your left hand. When you take it to the piano, you can put yourself in the C position. So right hand's gonna start with your thumb on middle C. You're just gonna go up and come back down, just like that. And then left hand, of course, is just gonna go 5, 1, just back and forth like that. Okay, so let's try putting it together slowly at first. And then you can try speeding it up. You can also try putting it in a different position. So you're in the C position right now. You could just slide down. So now your thumb is on A, pinky's on A. And just do the same thing. Left hand's gonna do that. Right hand's gonna go up and come back down. So let's put it together. Also do it in the G position. So just slide down so your thumb is on G, pinky's on G. For exercise number 2, I'm going to show you how you can tap it out first. This exercise is really focused on left hand. So left hand is going to tap with finger number 5, your pinky. You're going to tap 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then go right back down. Okay? So you start at the bottom, go to the top, go back down, just like that. With your right hand, you're going to be tapping 2 fingers together. So you're going to start 1 and 5, and you're just going to tap for 2 beats. So you'll tap 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so the focus is on 1 and 5. And then we're going to try putting this together. You go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. A variation of this is, instead of doing 1 and 5 with your right hand, you can try doing 1 and 3. So let's try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then another variation is you can mix up 1 and 5 and 1 and 3 while your left hand is tapping. So 1 and 5, 1 and 3. Okay, so you could try that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's take it to the piano. In the C position, left hand is gonna play starting on 5, going up, then coming back down. Right hand is gonna play 1 and 5, and then 1 and 3, just like that for 2 counts. So when you put it together, it'll be like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Of course, you can start to speed it up once you get better. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then also you can try it in different positions. So if you slide down to A, and you could also try it in G. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Exercise number 3 is really great because it gives you some practice with right hand tapping while left hand is holding on to the beat. So right hand is going to start on 1. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like we've done before. And left hand is going to tap 5 for 2 beats, 4 for 2 beats, 3 for 2 beats, 2 for 2 beats, and then 1 for 2 beats. When we put this together, there's gonna be 2 taps with our right hand for every 1 tap with our left hand. So it'll be like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can you stick with it? 1, 2. Okay, let's put it on the piano. So in the C position, right hand's gonna go up, come back down, left hand's gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so let's put it together. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Of course, you can speed it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you can also try it in different positions. So I'm going to go down to G. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Let me know in the comments below, which exercise are you going to try? Are you going to try 1, 2, 3, or all 3 of them?